from Krapow, our base station, we start again. First we're going all the way up to Amherst, and from there we go to Capellet, and that's a little village up here. We take a little road 15 and go to Capellet. We stay there the night, and the other day we go with Rob and Philippa, our friends, to the Hopewell Rocks. Here we drove the small roads going across mountain. You have to pass that city up there, and we take this one all the way up to the Hopewell Rocks. From Capellet back to Shediac. Shediac, a little piece there from mountain, and then we take highway up to a city called Minto. Little place up there. From Minto we take the number 10 all the way up to Fredericton. From Fredericton, a little road along the river. Along the river, all the way up to Grand Falls. Perth Andover, Grand Falls up here. Along the St. John River, going up with beautiful weather till Edmonton. Going over the River Edmonton, and we go all the way up the small roads, going back, and we make a stop at Riviera Loop. It was raining cats and dogs. Dat je het in de tuin hebt zitten, zie je ook wel eens te zwemmen, joh, in de zomer of niet?
Nee, dit is allemaal privé.
What are we doing today?
Well, today we are here with Philippa, and Rob is at his motorcycle. He was driving a big, really a huge Honda Gold Wheel. I think it was a 1500, but I'm not sure about that. 1500, right, eh? And we're right here in a beautiful place called Shediac.
Because Shediac is the capital of the lobster.
Oh,
Okay,
nice.
Of the world.
of the world.
Yeah.
We're here with the world's biggest lobster. So this is his mouth, if I see it correctly. And it is the lobster capital of the world. I want to go to Alaska, but it's a disaster. We stranded here in Shediac, and I think these are my last words. Bye bye.
Bye. Here you see the highest amount of change in low tide and high tide. So now it's still a bit low, but with high tide these rocks are underwater. You see where the trees start to grow? That's how far the tide.
You got your helmet on, but where are we now?
Well, 15 years ago we were on tour together in Canada, and then we walked through the snow with a friend of ours, and we got to a church, little church, and I have a picture of that. We didn't know where it was, we didn't know what it was called, but we looked up the picture and we saw this fence. So we looked on internet where it was, and now we're here. But it's like a little island in the St. John River.
Going on. Too bad it's locked. The door's open, but we can maybe take a look in the window. Also an old piano in it. It's amazing. As you can see, it got 2 wooden stoves to heat the whole church, and there are pipes going just under the ceiling. It's just amazing. They got candles on the wall to get some light. I don't believe there's electricity because there's an harmonium organ and a piano and wooden floor. It's just like an old film while you're walking in, right, Nadi?
I think it only is used for funerals because there are new gravestones. There's flowers.
Yeah, that's right.
So it has to be in use, but it's not for the normal services, I think.
It's a unique place.
So this is the longest covered bridge in the world. It's at Hartland in New Brunswick, but this time it's closed. Well, it looks a bit like it needs some work, but now we can put our motorcycles here in front of it, and if you see, it's a long tunnel across the river, and I think this is also, yeah, the river St. John. So, did you find a new campsite?
We found one, and you know what? Just take a look. Would you believe that?
The Grand Falls in Grand Falls, New Brunswick. Here we are!
Here we are. Where we are? We are here in Grand Falls.
Falls. Motorcycle hospitality. So much rain, and we are sitting here.
Down by the fire.
Oh, there he is! The first. What a perfect campground is this?
It's a little bit foggy.
Last night
Last night.
there was a thunderstorm, and it was really, really pouring rain.
It was that bad you wouldn't believe it. And the tent will be wet, wet, wet. But
Eric really thought the tent wouldn't stand it.
But we came back and a big surprise, everything in the tent was dry. It's unbelievable, it was dry.
So after that we slept for the whole night with in the background the sounds of a waterfall. Some people pay for that.
And I smelling also a little skunk.
I was sleeping very good.
Yeah, so.
And now we're going to go up to Riviera du Loup.
That way.
And well,
Hopefully we keep it dry today, but we will be back to you later on. Greetings from Grand Falls, New Brunswick, Canada.
But only when we made it to Riviera du Loup it became so rainy. But
Terrible.
terrible! We'll get everything inside. Luckily we have some nice flowers there,
You got nice flowers too, right?
but
We need it.
everything's wet and we can stay here. It's still early, it's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Hopefully everything is dry within 12 hours, right?
Yeah. Everything is wet.
10 minutes.
Dat zie je niet.